Hi, I am Ayushi, a product designer sharing tips, tools, and tutorials to help you level up in UX design. In today's tutorial, we will be building Apple's signature glass animation from scratch. Let's create a clean Apple style liquid glass effect in Figma. Here's how you can do it super simple. Step number 1, create the base shape. First, take a rectangle or honestly any shape you like. Just hit the R and use the shape tool. Set the corner radius to around 199 to get that soft, rounded, glossy look. Fill it with the color and set the opacity to 100%. Step number 2, add the background layer. Now take another rectangle, but this one should be a bit bigger. Place it behind your base shape. Fill this one with the white color and just 1% opacity. Go to your effect panel and tweak these. Texture size would be 100%, radius would be 25, background blur would be 2. Step number 3, add the stroke layer. Next, create another rectangle the same size as your base shape. Fill it again with the white at 1% opacity. Now apply a stroke, but here's the magic. Make it a gradient stroke that goes white, gray, white. Set the stroke to insight and keep the opacity at 100%. Step number 4, final touch. Select all your shapes, the base, background and stroke layer. Right click and group them into a frame, and that's it. You have made your own minimal liquid glass effect. The pro tip is, try placing this glass over the vibrant gradient or an any image background. It really makes the effect pop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you in the next video. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest video. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Try this out today and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching.